Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy meme coins on Solana. So in order to purchase it, generally we use this website called radium.io, but you must have noticed that this website is kind of slow, and whenever you try to swap any of the tokens over here, it doesn't work immediately or within a seconds. So in order to fix it, you can use the bot that is a Bonk bot, and I will put the link of it down in the description box. So you just have to click on that link and then you will be redirected on this type of page where you will have to click on send message, and then it will ask you to open with Telegram desktop. So you need to make sure that you have Telegram in your desktop or in your mobile device. After that, you need to click on the open button and then you will be redirected on this get started page. Now whenever you click on this start button over here, it will show you this welcome page where you are going to see that the Bonk bot has created a wallet for you. So you can use this wallet address in order to deposit some Solana into it. So you just have to copy it from here, and after that you just have to use any other exchanges or wallet that you are using, and from there you just have to transfer some of the Solanas to Bonk bot. After that, you just have to click on this buy button. Then it will ask you to provide the token address that you want to purchase. So in order to get the token address, what you can do is you can simply go to coingeeko.com, and here you are going to see the section called top Solana meme coins by market cap. I will put the link of this page down in the description box as well, so you can go through this link, and here you are going to see all of the top Solana meme coins. So you just have to select any of the coins that you want to purchase. So let's say you want to purchase Myro coin. So you will have to click on Myro, and then you will be redirected on this overview page. Now over here you just have to scroll down and you need to copy its contract address. After copying it, you will have to come to Telegram and you need to just paste the address over here and then press enter. Then it will say that the price of this token currently is this price, and then it will show you a bunch of other information relating to this coin. Now over here it will show you a bunch of different buy options, like you can buy for this much Solana. If you want to enter your own amount, then you will have to click on buy X Sol, and after that you will have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to spend in order to get the coin that you have selected. After that, you just have to press the enter button and then your order will be placed. As I currently don't have Solana in the Bonk bot, it is showing me this error, but you just have to do this and you are going to get your Solana meme coin on Bonk bot within no time. Let's say you want to buy any of the meme coins from Dex Screener. So you just have to open your web browser, and in the search bar you will have to search for dexscreener.com. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you are going to see a bunch of different Solana coins that are not launched yet, and you can get them before they get launched on any other platform. For that, you will have to click on this Solana tab in the right hand side, and here you will be able to see all of the meme coins. So if you want to get any of the coins, then you will have to click on that, and here you are going to see this copy button in the top. So you will have to click on it, and then its address will be copied. So it will show you that your address is copied to the clipboard. So you will have to come to Bonkbot again, and then you just have to paste the address. After that, you will have to enter the amount of Solana that you want to spend in order to purchase this coin that you have selected, and then your order will be placed. It is as simple as that. So you can use Bonkbot in order to purchase meme coins on Solana, and the link of it I have given in the description box. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.